Today's first reading has to do with that time in the history of the Israelites when they were wandering through the wilderness. And today's reading is just one of many examples of how the Israelites grumbled and murmured and complained. They didn't have enough water, they didn't have enough food, they wished they were back in Egypt. And so finally, in the story that we read today, God gets a little bit fed up and has snakes bite and kill some of the Israelites. So Moses then puts up this what's known traditionally as the brazen serpent in order to stop this infestation of snakes. So my point today is not to talk about brazen serpents or getting bit by snakes or anything like that, but it's to comment on the Israelites' attitude toward God, which they voiced to Moses, which was, "What have you done for me lately?" It seems like that's all they ever did was, as soon as they crossed the Red Sea, we don't have enough food. So God sends them quail and sends them manna. We don't have enough water. God gives them water, and on and on and on. Sometimes I think we may fall prey to the temptation to say to God, "What have you done for me lately?" I know in my own life there's times when I get upset when things don't go my way, when I don't get what I want. And so I'm sure my attitude at times is, "Okay, God, what have you done for me lately?" But then when I reflect on it, I have to realize that although I don't have everything that I've ever asked for, I have so much to be thankful for. I'm so blessed, so gifted. And so I'm suggesting that today, that rather than grumble when things don't go our way, we take a minute and stop and be grateful for what we do have rather than ungrateful for what we don't have.